Alright, so this is the review for my old video. This was back in 2015. Jom tengok. Wah, shot ni memang betul-betul dekat dengan kereta tau. Memang this is really close, guys. I'm using iPhone 6 this time. Mantap weh, walau weh. Gano kita. Ini kereta Terengganu S14. Nice. Handbrake tak tahu handbrake. Masa ni muka aku hitam kena tayar, tabuk tayar. Gila lah. Sukibe, drifter Jepun paling gatal tu. ATSUSHI Taniguchi paling gatal. Masa ni betul-betul try slow motion lah kena-konanya. Enjoy boleh lah. These are some of the crashes for the day. Yang hitam ni kata Johor tu. Oh. Lim Kim Wan. Lama tak jumpa Mervin. Kita pinjam juga. Dia bawa, masa ni bawa Safiro. Mantap weh. Ziki.
TANIGUCHI from Japan, car number 69. Yes, Sukimi Grip also, yes, next your car number 910, Mr. Jai. Then we have car number 247, Mr. One.
Masa ni Jai tengah aktif dah.
Joking, yes, then your car number 6 from Australia, Mr. And the Insania.
S15 ni cantik kalau dia. Macam mind control. Aku rasa
Alright, next is the white 180SX. With the airborne polo driving. Yeah, I'm your
Not bad.
car number 47 running away in and we have Mr. Alexander Yazov from Bulgaria. Yep, very nice.
Indonesia.
Yeah, he opens up the V8. Yeah, you guys should open up the throttle. Let the audience listen to what it's all about. 86 car number 77, Mr. Azwan Ucho.
Azwan Ucho, kawan Facebook.
Black in the black entity mirror. That was fun in car number 76.
That was-
Then we have Mr. Patak in car number 4. Here's from Basma Kotian India.
Basma strap trolling. Nice. Azafurun. Okay guys, so itu adalah review video saya. Okay, that is my past video, exactly 5 years back. So I'm just publishing this just for my reference because I don't have this video inside my channel. Okay, it was uploaded in my Facebook. So thank you for enjoying and watching this video. Really hope you enjoy and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.